Today I'm going to be sharing my experience installing some clip-ins that I got from ModernFro. My hair has been in twists for a couple of days, so I'm going to be working with those. I decided to do 2 French braids just to get my hair nice and compact so that I can easily install the clip-ins. And I've seen people use cornrows instead, so whatever you think will work best for you. So I've got my braids and I'm just going to pin them to opposite sides of my head to make sure that they're out of the way and I can easily install the clip-ins from here. So just to show you the box, it's a really nicely packaged box. Inside you get a little satin bag where the hair is, and they also provide this comb that you can kind of use to fluff out the hair a little bit. Inside the satin bag, that is where all the hair is. I was really surprised to see that all of the hair managed to fit in that small bag, but it's really nicely packed, and I was super excited to get started and install it. Just to show you a little close-up of the texture, this is more of like a 3C 4A curl, so just depending on your hair texture and your hair type, be mindful of that when you're choosing the appropriate clip-ins for you. And the clips are here. They're really easy. Just snap them open, slide the comb in, and snap them back closed. So I'm going ahead and installing the first piece here. I've never installed clip-ins before, so this experience was exciting, and it did make me a little nervous because I didn't really know what to expect, but once I got the first section in, it went pretty smoothly from there. As you can see, once I'm done with this, you'll see that I didn't quite get it as straight as it could have been, but because it's the bottom piece, once you start layering the other pieces over top, you won't even notice. So it's not one of those things where you have to be 100% perfect. As long as the combs are in and they're secure, it's fine. So I just proceeded to install the rest of the pieces the same way, sliding in the combs and snapping the clips shut. It's one of those things where you just have to use your hands as your eyes and make sure that the combs are not pulling at your natural hair. I think clip-ins are a really great alternative to other kinds of protective styles like wigs or weaves because it's so easy and fast to install. The entire install process probably took me less than an hour, so I was like, this is amazing. So now I'm trying to blend my hair with the hair of the clip-ins. This was a little bit challenging for me because I definitely underestimated how different my hair texture is from the clip-ins. As you can see, I took my twists out and you can see that the curl that I'm left with is really different from the curl of the clip-ins. So to mask this, I just did a tuck and roll at the front of my hair, and I think it did a decent job at helping to kind of divert the eye from where my hair starts and where the clip-ins start. On my Instagram, I posted a photo of a different hairstyle. It was kind of like a half up, half down with a bun at the front. Take a look there. I do like that style a little bit more, but in this video, I just wanted to focus on the install process and to give you guys a closer look at how I worked with the clip-ins for the first time. I had a really nice time using them as a first experience using clip-ins ever. I'm glad I tried them, and I'm definitely going to keep these around this winter when I feel like my hair needs a break. It's such a great way to still really give yourself a nice dramatic look with big hair, but to not have to worry about your own natural hair drying out and having to deal with the cold weather. It's just a nice way to switch things up and still keep those protective styles going. So I'll leave a link in the description where you guys can check out ModernFro. They have a really great selection of clip-ins, wigs, and extensions that you can choose from in a variety of textures and lengths. So that about wraps it up. I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini tutorial and unboxing. I hope this encouraged you guys to branch out and try something new. Thanks for watching. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.